Hi everybody, it's David here once again from Deals with David. Today I want to talk to you about the Holy Stone HS720E GPS drone. Now when you first get it out of the box, you're going to notice this beautifully designed carrying case with a smooth surface that keeps everything inside nice, clean and dry. It's got a very sturdy carrying handle so you can just pick it up and away you go. Let's get it under the product cam and show you what's inside. All right, open up with the zippers. Okay, here we have, right at the top here, we've got our instruction booklet all stored on the inside, multiple languages, colored pictures, and very detailed instructions. We've got an extra set of propellers here for when the current ones wear out, and there's a screwdriver in here for attaching those propellers. You could also store some extra cables, etc. in the top compartment. Nice to have that. All right, let's get to where the magic is. This is the drone right here. Fits in the palm of your hand. This will do up to 4K video and high resolution pictures as well. It's got sensors on the bottom, so if you get too close to the ground, it will keep you up off the ground while you're flying. Now this will go up to a half a mile in range for video transmission and radio transmission. It's got built-in return to home function, so it knows where you took off from, and then if it loses signal, it'll automatically come back to you, decreasing any of the chances of you losing the drone. Simply open things up and folds nice and easy. Okay. There's the full size of the drone right there. Comes with 2 batteries, one here, and we've got another one right here in the box. And that's going to give you up to 46 minutes of flight time. Now, we want to be able to charge things up, so of course they've included this nice charger here that will charge both of the batteries at the same time, including your USB cable to charge things up. And here we have the controller that fits real nice in the palm of your hand, but you can also open it up here with these handles to make it a lot easier to control. Simple to control, lots of functions, all at the fingertips. There's the return to home, and of course starting and stopping to take your video and your pictures, and lots of other function here with the track wheels. You can turn your GPS on or off, and you've got a nice LCD screen here for all the features that you're going to need to keep an eye on. Here's your antennas, and you simply open this up and then slide your phone in there and you connect it with the included cables that come along with it with the app, okay? There's a free app to download that helps you fly and keep track and record all the video and the pictures. And of course, when you're done, you can fold everything up and put it right back into your carrying case. This is great for ages 16 plus if you're going to do some videography work or take some pictures. Start a brand new hobby. The HS720E GPS drone is a great place to start. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy shopping.